April 20th was a bit of a milestone evening for Pro Wrestling Explosion, now wasn't it? The night Alex Payne crushed the hopes and dreams of Cheeseburger. Tonight Joe Gacy earned himself a title shot. That's not here nor there. I've already addressed that and what's going to happen to Joe when he steps into the ring on Sunday. Now what I'm here to talk about is something more exciting for little old me. Because April 20th was also the day that I took control of your life and your career, Ernie Osiris. You impetuously signed your name on a piece of paper without reading the fine print. I control your career. Now, more than I ever have in the last 15 years. Since the day we met, I've controlled you. Go set up the chairs. Put on that guardrail sign. Tighten those ropes. Direct those fans to their seats. Go to the store and get me a rock star. Go buy me a protein bar. Go pay my bar tab. And sleep on the floor in the hotel room while you're at it. Only now it's on paper how much control I have over your career. But I promise you, if you show up on Sunday, I'll let you get a little closer to your dream. I'll let you have your very first PWE match. You can trust me. I mean, we've known each other for 15 years, right? If you show up, I'll let you have your chance. One more chance. One last chance. Think of it as your 13th step. There you go, your 13th step. This is another thing you need to check off your list. Show up Sunday afternoon. And I promise, if you pretty, please show up, Ernie. Your latest road to failure will start anew. You can trust this face, right? You've known it a long time. Please.